Are you looking to elevate your trading game but unsure where to start? Today, we're going to walk you through everything you need to know about joining ATGL, a platform designed to help traders like you maximize profits. From the basics of signing up to leveraging powerful tools for your trades, this video will guide you every step of the way. Let's dive in. First, let's take a closer look at what the green line is all about. Established with the goal of making trading more logical and profitable for everyone, ATGL combines state-of-the-art technology with expert fundamental rules to provide a comprehensive trading experience. They offer a wide range of tools, from advanced market analysis and stock indicators to real-time alerts and educational resources, all designed to help you make smarter trading decisions. Now that you know what ATGL is all about, let's walk through how to join. It's a straightforward process, but I'll guide you through each step. First, head over to the Above the Green Line website and click on the Sign Up button. You'll need to enter some basic information, like your name and email, and create a password. Once that's done, you're in. After signing up, it's important to set up your profile. This is where you'll receive everything and access study material on how to trade for profits, understanding deep concepts regarding investing and day trading. ATGL uses this information to tailor the platform to your needs, ensuring you get the most relevant insights and alerts. Still have doubt? Don't worry, you can ask in Discord or can contact us through our Gmail checkout, the description for more. Once your profile is set, you'll be taken to the Only Member section. This is your central hub where you can monitor your portfolio, view market trends, and manage your alert settings. Take a moment to explore the features here, as this is where you'll spend most of your time. Now, let's get into how ATGL actually helps you make profits. The platform offers a suite of tools designed to give you an edge in the market. One of the standout features is real-time alerts. These alerts notify you the moment a stock hits a critical indicator, whether it's a buy signal based on moving averages or a sell signal triggered by a price drop. This immediacy helps you act on opportunities before the market moves too far. Stock indicator analysis is another powerful tool. ATGL analyzes key indicators like the SCTR, MSFT, parabolic curve, etc. to provide you with actionable insights. Whether you're a day trader looking for short-term moves or a long-term investor, these indicators help you make informed decisions. Finally, for those looking to deepen and fully understand the concepts above, we have a free ebook that contains valuable concepts regarding how ATGL works, and we have a daily live stream on Above the Green Line YouTube channel for day trading, where traders come and share thoughts and trade and see the real-time charts. Ready to make your first trade? Let's walk through the process together. Start by researching and selecting a stock. ATGL suggests you pick and trade on top 10% stocks for benefits and easy-to-gain profits. Next, set up an alert for the stock. This ensures that you're notified the moment your conditions are met, allowing you to act quickly. And if you are a day trader and still have doubts, no worries. We have every day live from the time the market opens until the market closes, where you can chat among many traders and have doubts cleared. Once the alert is triggered, it's time to execute the trade. Confirm your order, and just like that, you've made your first move in the market with the help of the green line. Before we wrap up, here are some final tips to help you get the most out of ATGL. Especially if you're new to trading, start small. This allows you to get comfortable with the AG and the market without risking too much capital. Make it a habit to stay informed. The market is always changing, and staying up to date with the latest analysis, which is provided on a daily basis through Discord and emails, will help you make better decisions. With these tips, you're well on your way to becoming a more confident and successful trader. Remember, ATGL is here to support you every step of the way. If you're ready to take control of your financial future, there's no better time to start than now. Visit AboveTheGreenLine.com to sign up and start trading with confidence today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay tuned for more trading tips